So a metropolitan area network is a network which covers, as it says, a metropolitan, usually a city, a geographic area, not to be confused with campus networks, which exclusively go between a particular entity's buildings, either on their own land or spread across the city. So a metropolitan area encompasses a whole city. There are few true metropolitan area networks which are open to everybody in the city. So whilst an organisation might have one for themselves, they won't open it up to everybody else. The idea of a metropolitan network is everyone gets the benefit when they connect into it. It works by using fibre rings. So we would put infrastructure into the ground and dig it in there. So we dig ductwork, which is tunnels with subducts, etc. in there. And we place them in strategic parts of the city, and then we feed fibre optic cables through to then service locations within the city. So other broadband network services, they may well have what they'd class as a metropolitan network, meaning they've got a network which covers a city. But the focus of a metropolitan network on a city and its inhabitants is different to just having a network which can connect everybody in. So a traditional broadband network would be a point-to-point type solution. So it would go from the customer to the internet. Where a metropolitan network it can go from one place in the city to another place in the city between different organisations or to centrally hosted services within that city. What they don't have is a focus on the city and the businesses and organisations in that city. Whereas a metropolitan network, yes, it's a commercial enterprise, but it is also a focal point, a community of interest type network. So we can support the smallest customers all the way up to the large multinational customers on the same network with the same engineering teams, the same account managers and that local presence.